तो हमने ट्राई किया चिकन हनी चिली चिकन।
फिर से आ गए रे बाबा इधर।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डैडीज कॉर्नर। आपको तो पता चल गया होगा थंबनेल से, सरप्राइज एलिमेंट। और ये एक नया स्टोर ओपन हुआ है
Magic Bite,
ट्रेजर टाउन।
just next to downtown Lucky, and here he arrived for the grand opening.
So that is the seating area.
Because we find youth are completely disconnected with the elders. You know, there's not much of love and affection between the youth and the elders of the house. That fabric of the family is, you know, sort of disintegrating. If you have some message for the youth, that will be really helpful.
I would say you will not be educated by what's around you. It is of no value. Like if television and music becomes
Yeah.
the purpose. There's no purpose because you're taking somebody else's spot. You understand? You have to, within the parental stage also, parents also have to be understanding towards ever-changing world.
Absolutely.
You know, their patience is paramount. The child is growing here, developing, you know, physiologically also.
Correct.
So there are many times that he cannot probably express himself right.
So,
So these are things that parents need to understand that growth spurts are there. And children make mistakes, but that's not the end all. Everybody, we all do.
If I have to be communicating with
And children have to understand that parents are there only once. You don't have parents after one. Once they're gone, children. So to take care of their relationship, so that at the end of the day, it's all we have, you know, our foundation. Preserve our foundation.
So accept that I think nobody.
So I think sometimes if you notice the society, the way it deals with boys versus the girls, even in the house, outside the house, there is a big difference. Allah has created men differently and women differently, and that's how in the house also there's a sense of that differentiation of treatment from the parents, from the society, from everybody. What are your thoughts about it and how they need to deal, because that's quite a pressure on them. How do they need to deal with that?
See, first of all, parents, I have two daughters. So, one, my daughter is 35, 31, first. And both are working girls. They work in Bombay. And that's not something that I wish for them. But girls are independent. Understand, they in their thought, their actions or whatever. But independence does not mean that you give up values that are taught to us as children, you know, as members of a growing society, our community, you know, because our respect depends upon the mother of the family. You know, it's the mother of the family that makes the family. The mother has to be strong, and women are mothers, basically. That's the darja Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you all anyways. You know, and with parents, you also need to understand that as we are in India, what we eat affects our health, and you know how we protect ourselves in those aspects. It's what you eat is what will actually come out in that sense. It makes you what you are. अगर आप बहुत तीखा खाते हो तो बहुत गुस्सा आएगा. मीठा खाओगे तो you understand what I mean? Don't do anything excess. But you're like the jewels of our homes. You understand? And if you are protected by way of hijab, it is a blessing. You know, you should be proud of that because Allah only protects what He loves, and He gives protection to what He loves. And the women in our community, mashallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you all. So you have to make Allah proud of you. And that means everything comes in that. Respect for the parents, listening to them, being patient with them. They're growing old. You know, they've got tensions of their own. You also have a life, so and talk to each other. You should always talk, not be afraid to talk. But respectfully put your issues in front of your parents first. There's no one outside of them. Everybody else is outside of them. But remember, parents are parents. You have them only once in life. You'll have brothers, you'll have sisters, you'll never have a father, you'll never have a mother. Remember? And mother's feet, Allah's mother says in the Quran, are the doorway to paradise. Bless mommy's feet. You take care of your parents. I'm sorry I'm saying this. But I did this today. आज मेरे पैरों में दर्द होता है तो someone कभी bless me.
सही
So this is what I want to say. It's a scary world out there. Be together, be one, you know, and move towards good things. You understand? There is a verse you told me. What is that? Quran Majid ka ek verse. I don't remember the surah, but I'll tell you this. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that to each is a race towards which Allah has turned you. You know, aapko batao towards that. So strive on as in a race. To each is a goal that Allah has turned you. You have a goal, right? So strive on as in a race towards all good things. You know, good things. What are good things? You should identify that. You know what good things. In the end, Allah will bring everyone together because Allah has power. So ultimately, all of us are going there also. So He's given us the freedom to understand that we can move on as in a race. You know, it's not wrong to be thinking in terms of being, what do you call it? What's the right word? Entrepreneurial or, yeah, those kind of things.
explore
Yeah.
your career, but within
Family is paramount. The day your family breaks, civilizations break. Remember that. All civilizations in the world have broken only for one thing, when their family structure broke. See, America कोई culture है क्या? अच्छे लोग हैं मगर बेचारे फंसे हैं. You know?
So guys,
That was our very own Lucky Ali leaving behind his wise words. Coming from his mouth is a big thing.
take a tour with a kitchen, guys. क्या बन रहा है अभी यहाँ पे? क्या? ड्रैगन चिली. अच्छा.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
Dragon chicken. We had something delicious cookies जो homemade है, chocolate है. It's really good. आप visit करें, जो कि हमारे एक close friend का है. So please do visit Magic Bites.
Which is just next to downtown in Frasertown.
It's really good, tasty. आपको चिकन, ड्रैगन चिकन, चिकन पॉपकॉर्न सब मिल जाएंगे, फ्राइज एंड बर्गर्स, एवरीथिंग. सो विजिट करें. आज के लिए एक्चुअली देयर इज सम ऑफर ऑल्सो, 50% डिस्काउंट ऑन फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक आइसक्रीम बाय वन गेट वन फ्री है. प्लीज डू विजिट. So what do we have at menu here?
Well, today, as it's the first day, so we have few items which are, let's say, for example, we have momos, we have ice cream, softy, which is vanilla and chocolate, and we have honey crisp chicken, garlic chicken, chicken popcorn, chicken strips, mojito, desserts, yeah. that's all for today.
So I must say I tried the cookies, chocolate cookies, homemade, right?
Yeah,
That
it's
was
homemade.
delicious, very nice. There's a good offer also here, 50% discount on few products, and yeah, do visit Magic Bites. तो yes guys, तो हमने ट्राई किया चिकन हनी क्रिस्पी चिकन. इट इज़ वेरी नाइस, अफोर्डेबल भी है. तो मैं पार्सल भी लेके जा रहा हूँ घर को. So you also get puddings over here, mango pudding, then coconut pudding. So please do visit. It's very really tasty, very nice. और ये नीचे लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर कर दूंगा. उसमें you will be able to find the details of the store. And चलिए मिलते हैं. बाय बाय.